Hello guys, this is Sanjay here again. So in the last video we have done cost of goods sold part 1. Here we have seen the four scenario how we calculate the cost of goods sold for different percentage and the numbers as well. So I gave you some working note over there as well. Go there and check that first, then it will be easy for you to understand the second part. So now here, so this is not simple, but we are going to the method like a LIFO method and FIFO method and average weighted method, right? So as you know that FIFO is the first in first out and LIFO is the last in first out, and average is the combination of both. So first in first out we normally used in the industries where they are very conscious about the expiry date. So first in first out means uh, if you produce that product first, you have to sell first, or if you're gonna buy that product, you have to sell first what you bought, right? Because it's a matter of expiry. If you keep putting the first things in the storage and selling the new one, the first one will be expire, and it's like a damage to the company. And in the last in first out means this mostly happen in the trending industry like the fashion, because people don't want to buy the old stock but the new stock. So whatever you get new, you have to uh, sell to the customer. Mostly they go for the new one, not for the old one. So normally it happens in the fashion industry, and average is a combination of that. We'll use average as well. Sometimes they sell the first one, sometimes they sell the new one, but they take the average. I'll calculate average for you. How Okay, so we go for the first one. So this is first in first out, FIFO method. So these are three methods of stock management. The first unit of good produced, there is a company that produce the 4 unit. A unit of goods sold, they have only sell 3 unit. The cost for the first 3 units produced is $5, and the last unit is $10. So you have 4 units, 3 for $5, and the last one is $10. Because there is less quantity, less supply, always demand goes up and the price goes up. That's the idea. Okay, we will go by this. The first in first out. So as you can see here, there is a 4 unit and unit of sold goods sold 3. So this is sold like the first at the time, so 3 unit. So you have sell 3 unit because you are selling 3 and you are selling only 3 unit. How much price for the first 3? $5. So you get your answer. So $15 is the cost of goods sold for first in first out method. What is the average unit cost? Just take the total cost of goods sold divided by 3, because you are selling 3 unit, the average should be 5. Now we go by the first in last out, sorry, first in first out FIFO method. Just go here, and here the idea is you have to sell the last first and then go for the backward, right? So what you sell last, the cost of cost unit cost for the last unit produced $10. Just take $10. How much you sell? Just one, right? Into 1 plus, because you are selling total 3, not a 4. So you already sell 1. How many you need to sell? You need to sell 2 more. So 2 more is for the $5, because only the 1 unit is, everything else go by 2, and you get your $20. Go equal, take 20. How many units you are selling? Just 3. Divided by 3, you'll get your 6. Okay, now we go for the last one. That's the average one. So how we do the average? So you have to take the average. Okay, so this is the time to calculate the average. This is a bit different, and you have to calculate the combination of both. So just go there, record how much you sell. The first place 3, so just go by 3, plus how much sell you the last place, just go by 10 into 1 divided by 4. Oh sorry, divided by 4 into 3. You'll get your answer. That's the average weighted method. And how much for the average unit cost? So there divide, because you are actually selling 3. So this is a little bit different. So I made a working note for you. You can go by this as well. So the first 3 units you have uh, you already sold at the rate of 5, right? 3 into 5 is 1500, right? And the last one is 100, 1 unit into 10, 10. So total cost is how much? Total sale, total cost. So your total sale is $25, and total unit you sold is how many? 10. Oh no, how many? 4. 3 here and 1 here, total 4. 15 here, 10 here is total 25. So if you want to take the average, you take the average of 25 divided by 4 into 6.25. 6.25 is here, and if you multiply 6.25 into 3, you will get the same answer over here. So this is the logic behind. So I hope you understand this very much and learn something. I'll see you in the next video.